Hi, I'm Yasmin, creative designer here at Sizzix. Today I'm going to show you how to make a home decor frame using our Making Essentials cardstock. Here's how. Start off by placing your circle thinlet in the centre of your square piece of paper. Then carefully draw inside of your circle . Then using your big shot, start to cut your shapes. I'm using the floral wreath thinlets. Then just pop the big shot to the side. Once you've cut the pieces out, using your paper sculpting kit, just push them out of the thinlets like this. For the moment I'm just going to be focusing on the flower, and then I'll get back to the love heart in a sec. One side. Okay, so again, grabbing your paper sculpting kit, place this down and using your tool, gently go round so you start getting a 3D effect. And just keep doing that. Again with the other elements of it. Just keep going around. Okay, so that's done. Then using your glue, I'm just using a PVA glue, something that will hold it together. Start from the biggest one and then go to the smallest. So just place a small amount, you don't need a lot. And place down carefully. So it should look something like this. Sometimes it's a bit fiddly, so it'll be good to use your tool just to press down to make sure it's all secure. For the love heart, you can't really layer them up as you would a flower. So what I did with this, I just simply folded it over, like so. To save some time, I've already made up the other elements. So using your square that you had earlier with the circle thinlet, carefully place all of the elements around the circle. You can do this however you like, it's just personal preference. So like the love heart, you do the same with a butterfly, you just fold it in half. Just using the glue to build. These are a little longer than what I would like, so what I'm going to do is just snip using my scissors to about here, and using the end bit, just glue and then place down like so, and then just do the same for the others. You can cut these to any size you like. And there you go. Once you've done your design, just pop into a frame. So the size of this is 10 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, which is www.sizzix.co.uk, where you can find more ideas and more inspiration.